so that we can go with the recording. So what happened? Anyhow, I was not able to create that KDP account because of my single name. On my all the documents, my name is Poonam only. On my Aadhaar card or my passport, my PAN, everywhere. Like my name is only Poonam. So KDP account is like it will not accept your single name. Okay, so I tried to create it with my husband's account. I start like I thought of creating with my son's account and daughter, but anyhow, I don't know, it was divine delay or what like. So in yesterday's session also I told you know I have to do this. I have very less time. So after the session I'll be posting that my book and each and everything because the time was very less. And it was after the session it was 10:20 or 25. I was just trying and like 11:20 हो गया and I couldn't do that. एंड आई स्टार्टेड बीइंग वेरी इमोशनल कि यार मेरा 2 ढाई महीने का मेहनत मेरा पूरा मैंने बुक लिखा मैंने उसको सब किया मैंने उसको डिजाइन किया उसका मैंने कवर रेडी किया बट आई वॉज आफ्टर दैट आई स्टार्टेड प्रैक्टिसिंग दैट थैंक यू फॉर द मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम थैंक यू फॉर द मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम थैंक यू फॉर द आई I was like I was able to visualize each and everything like my book is getting published, everybody is appreciating this and everybody is congratulating, so this is going to be my biggest win of this like going 2025 year. So like something magical happened. You know when I was like I was just about to give up. So I wrote that message in which like 1,000 people are there in that Likhega India mission. So more than 1,000 people are there in there is that WhatsApp group. So I wrote a very small message that I don't want to give up, but I don't have any choice. So there was a lady, she called me, Poonam, what happened? So I told each and everything. She said, Poonam, shut up. I don't want to listen your story. You just tell me what happened exactly. What is the challenge that you are facing? Speak in very short so that I can help you. If you are, if because we have very less time. We have very less time, so I otherwise I won't be able to help you out. So she told me like that. She called me out of nowhere. I don't know like why did she call me? And she suggested that I should try with like anybody's other account like from my brother's account from my sister. I said I don't have any like sister and now it's 11:20 and we have very less time, only 40 minutes are left. So what can I do in this case? So she said, okay, so now you have your sister. I am Pooja and I'm your sister. Okay, so you give me your book. So I said, can you please post on my behalf? कहती वो फिर वो पैसा वैसा तो सब मुझे आएगा अगर आपको कल को बुक बहुत पॉपुलर हो जाता है दिस एंड दैट. आई सेड इट्स ओके, वैसे भी तो मेरा मेहनत खराब हो जाएगा ना इफ आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू दैट. वो पूरी मेहनत खराब होने वाली है. आई हैव ओनली 40 minutes. And she called that honor of that Likhega India mission, those people who are running like Shweta and Manish. So she talked to them and they people agreed, okay, तो आप पूनम का book ले लो, so you post it on your behalf. So she did that each and everything and the book got published and I was very happy. So she said, okay, it's going to take 72 hours, so then I'll transfer it to you. And she was so like kind heart and she was like a magic in disguise. So it happened na, angel in disguise. तो वो कहीं से जैसे वो भगवान ने कुछ सुन लिया and I started practicing that gratitude. I don't know whether it was the like magic of gratitude or what. Like guys, it happens. Magic happens if you are doing something from the place of your purity, from the purity of your heart. So the universe listens and it will make it happen for you. The whole universe conspires to make it happen for you. वो पूरे लोगों को लगा देगा, वो कुछ करेगा, but it will be done. It will be done. तो see, I never thought like 1,000 लोगों में से वो एक ही बंदी क्यों आई वो? Why she was the only person? And she called me and she got it done. She did it. She did it. उसने अपने से पूनम तुम अपना वो करो. मैं आई रिक्वेस्टेड और यार प्लीज आप वो मेरा मेहनत खराब हो जाएगा आप कर दो कर दो कर दो. फिर उसने कर दिया. एंड इट वाज लाइक 11:59. पहले उसने कोशिश किया कि मेरे इससे ही हो जाए कि उसको कुछ नहीं करना पड़े. बट वो नहीं हो पा रहा था 11:40 तक भी. देन वी डिसाइडेड ओके सो नाउ देर इज नो अदर ऑप्शन. शी सेड पूनम शट अप यू गिव मी योर बुक आई विल डू दैट. फिर उसने 2 मिनट में फटाफट से किया एंड इट वॉज लाइक 11:59. And I was like, oh my God, 11:59. I got that screenshot that the book is now published. It was so magical yesterday.
Wow.
And I was like, वो मैं तब से बता रही हूँ उसमें को, देखो मैंने बोला था ना मैजिक होता है, मैजिक होता है, मैजिक होता है. सो सी ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर वर्किंग. कहाँ से यूनिवर्स ने उसको वो भेजा मेरे लिए कि जा और
Yesterday,
पूनम का
I
काम
also
करके आ.
expected, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am, book was published. I also very much positive vibes.
Hmm.
I mean, about your book. So I was
Yes.
very
Yeah, that
happy.
is very nice book, and I have written my own story.
So,
And because I was the like English trainer, spoken English, I have all the experiences of like 5 years. So I put all the things in that book. Yeah, that is
we can
very easy.
directly purchase that book in Amazon, ma'am.
Yeah, you can purchase after 70. अभी एक दिन हुआ है ना, अभी after 2 days
Oh,
you
okay.
can see. And
Okay.
I
We want to
have
buy.
like there is one page as well that I have like shared on the WhatsApp status. If you want to know
Ha
what
ha
is
ha.
there in that book, what is there in
Yes.
that book, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that was like, and today also, today it was very challenging day for me, but again, magical. So many
Magic.
things, so many things. So I tried each and everything, magical footstep, magical heart practice, and this thank you for magnificent outcome. So I mixed these three practices from the bottom of my heart, and I sat down and I practiced these three things, and everywhere I could see the magic happening for me. Right? So sometimes there are very hard days, and but if you practice gratitude, each and everything is magical. Yeah. Okay, guys. So let's start with today's session, and I want to cover 2 days together because I'm short of 2 days. Let's see how much we can cover. Otherwise, you will have to do on last 2 days. Let's see. I'll try. So today, welcome to day number 22. Before your very eyes. And this is also like very nice, beautiful chapter. Day number 22, before your very eyes, very eyes. Look at this picture. So there is this rabbit and this hat, and there is this stick. This kind of stick you must
Magic
have
stick.
seen. They take like
Magician.
magic magicians, they use this kind of stick,
Yes.
right? And this kind of like hat also. So you must have seen in your childhood there were many like shows you must have seen, those magicians who were doing like these kind of practices. Everything was there in front of us, but we were not getting that what the people are doing, how the people are doing. Have you seen any magic happening? What they were showing so many tricks, but we were not able to catch them that what the people are doing, how are they doing, from where the rabbits are coming from their hats, how the magic is happening, isn't it? Have you ever seen in your childhood? सो अभी तो सब वो वीडियो गेम वगैरह सब आ गया, पहले तो ये सब चीजें होती थी. Yeah. Okay, so see, so something magic is happening. Everything is there. When they people were doing the magic tricks. So we were not able to catch them. But it's not like the magic was not there. Magic was there. Something was there. But we were not able to catch them. Right? It's not like magic is not there. The whole universe, the whole world. So I have just shared the experience of yesterday. Magics are there. There are magics. Everything is there in front of us. But who will be able to catch them? Those who have that kind of wisdom. Do you remember that Bhagavad Gita? There was an incident when uh, both the parties were there, Kauravas and Pandavas. Right? Both the parties were there, and they were just about to fight, about to start. The war was about to start. The battle was about to start. But like Arjuna was not ready, and the Krishna had to show his whole avatar. Do you remember? But nobody was able to see that avatar. Only Arjuna was able to see that avatar. And with normal eyes, he was not able to see that avatar. So that Krishna had to give him a kind of vision that he was able to see that avatar. So if we have that kind of vision, so we will have to have that kind of vision so that we can catch the magic. how the universe is working, how this whole world is working. For that, we don't have that much wisdom. So, from where that wisdom will come? With that gratitude. If you start practicing gratitude, if you make it a habit that we have to be grateful, we have to say thank you every time, we have to be like grateful whatever we already have, so you will start seeing magics. Only then you will be able to start seeing magic. And out of nowhere you will see people showing up, you will see situations showing up, you will see like magic showing up in your life. So these things happen. So that's why this is very important. Practicing gratitude is very important because everything is there. If you want to really catch them, how the universe works, how the like this whole world works, so you should have that kind of wisdom and that vision. So this world, after all our science and sciences, is still a miracle, wonderful, inscrutable, magical, and more to whoever will think of it. This whole world, this whole science, so many inventions, so many knowledge, so many things are coming again and again, so many things. People are going to the moon, people are going to the space. So many inventions are happening day by day. Everything is magical, everything is wonderful. Magics are there, right? Everything is miracle. Every invention, every science, whatever is happening, each and everything is miracle. Miracles are there. And it is beyond our expectation, beyond that we cannot even think. So 7 years ago, okay, let me check the meaning of. So this is what chapter number 21. No, 22, I think. Let me see this meaning. Yeah. So that is beyond that we cannot even think. Inscrutable. We can't even think. Beyond science. Sciences are there. Knowledge, invention. 7 years ago. 7 years ago, when I first discovered the secret and the magical power of gratitude, I made a list of all my desires. It was a long list. At that time, that seemed to be no possible way my desires could come true. Nevertheless, I took my top 10 desires and I carried them with me on a piece of paper every day. Whenever I had an opportunity, I would take out my list and read through it, giving as much gratitude for each desire as I could, as though I had received it. With my number one desire, the desire I wanted more than anything else, I kept it constantly in my mind and I would say the magic words, thank you, for it multiple times in a day and feel as if it had come true. One by one, every desire on my list magically appeared before my very eyes. इन्हीं आंखों के सामने कहती है मैंने सारी चीजें अपनी डिजायर जो भी मैंने लिस्ट में लिखा था आई हैव सीन दैट हैपनिंग बिफोर माई वेरी आईज इन्हीं मेरी आंखों के सामने. As I received my desired, I would cross them off my list, and when I had new desire, I would add them to my list. So we all have created 10 desire list. 10 so we all have created. So we are ready with that 10 desire list, right? So if your all the desires are happening, all the desires are coming true. So we just have to cross them and we have to add more. We can add more. So when we start seeing magic happening in our life one by one, when all the desires are coming true, we have to cut off, we have to cross them off, and we have to add them new. So we can do that because the magic is inside us. We have to work on our inner world. If our inner world changes, our outer world automatically changes. So one of my desires from my original long list was to travel to Bora Bora. So now she is giving one example, right? So her desire, one of my desires from my original long list was to travel to Bora Bora near Tahiti. After spending a beautiful week at the exact place in Bora Bora I had listed, another beautiful thing happened. I was flying to the mainland of Tahiti on my way home when the airplane stopped en route to pick up passengers. The flight had been empty, but it filled to the brim with native Tahitians and suddenly laughter, smiling faces, a happiness that was palpable surrounded me. So, what does it mean? So, she's telling about her desire. So, she had so many desires, And one of the desires was she wanted to go to Bora Bora near Tahiti. So Tahiti is a place, it's a kind of, it's an island जहाँ पे होता है ना बड़े बड़े coconut trees and water and surrounded by water and kind of things, small small hills. So she wanted to like travel to that place, right? So after spending, she spent 1 week, complete 1 week there, and she was going back to her home, right? So at one place, so her plane was stopped because of some reason, and that time some Tahitians, okay, so they entered into that plane, and the plane was full. So it filled to the brim, वो पूरा भर गया native Tahitians से, because she wanted to meet those Tahitians. She wanted to stay the time with those Tahitians. And suddenly laughter, smiling faces, happiness, she could see everywhere. The people were smiling, the people were laughing, the people were sharing their happiness, and the people were sharing their gratefulness as well, because they were very grateful for whatever they had with them. So they were sharing all of the things, and Rhonda Byrne was also sitting in that plane, and she was listening to them, that the people were very grateful for what they already had. So they were smiling, they were laughing, they had that happiness, and she was listening each and everything, like how grateful the people are. So from there also Rhonda Byrne learned all these things, and that was palpable surrounded me. What is the meaning of palpable? Let me check. Palpable, that is clear. That was clear surrounded me. Okay, so everything was clear, that the people are very grateful, so that's why they are happy, they are sharing each and everything, they are smiling. As I enjoyed the short flight with these beautiful people, it became crystal clear to me the reason why they were so happy, because they were grateful. Because those people who show gratitude in their life, so they are happy people, they are contented people, they don't chase anything, they attract everything. They were grateful. They were grateful to be alive. They were grateful to be on the airplane. They were grateful to be with each other. They were grateful for where they were going. They were grateful for everything. So she could listen what they were talking, why they were happy, why they were grateful, right? So they were grateful for everything. I could have stayed on that plane and traveled around the world with them. It felt so good to be with them. And then it struck me that I had just received my final desire. So she got to know, like Bora Bora was the last desire on my original long list, and the reason I was on that plane was before my very eyes. Gratitude. So I could see the gratitude because she was practicing gratitude, and in that list, what was the last desire? She wanted to go to that place, Bora Bora. That was her last desire, and it was fulfilled, and it was because of her gratitude practice. And when she was in the plane, she could see gratitude is everywhere. Everybody was sharing like how grateful they were for small thing. They were on the plane for small. She has given so many examples. So I have shared this story as an inspiration for you. Like, get inspired from people, those who are happy, why they are so happy. But you know what happened instead of getting inspired, we get expired. So are you getting my point? Instead of getting inspired, we start getting expired. Ki why they are so happy? Why they are like that? How could they laugh? How could they smile? How could they be so happy? Right? So instead of getting inspired, कि हमें उससे इंस्पिरेशन लेनी चाहिए. She got the inspiration from them. they कितनी small चीजों पे they people are very grateful. She was getting inspired. Wow, the people are so happy. If somebody is getting something, so we should be so happy. I was so happy yesterday that 1,000 books were getting published. So I was so happy. And I was also like since morning congratulating when the people were sharing their screenshot. Yeah, congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. So that's why I thought like God saved me. Because I was very happy for each and every one. Those who were their books were getting published. Right? So we have to get inspired, not expired. We should be happy. We should congratulate them on their win if we also want to win. We will also be winning, definitely, for like no doubt in that, if we get inspired for them. Okay. So, from the time I began using gratitude and the law of attraction to the time I received my final desire on my original list was 4 years, and it took her 4 years to complete all her desires. All her because she wrote so many desires, and it took 4 years क्योंकि उसको बोरा बोरा जाना था. Bora Bora Jana, and it was not easy. We have to spend a lot of money for that. We need a lot of money if we have to travel. And for 1 week, for one complete week, she had to stay there. She stayed there, right? So we need so much money. And it took her 4 years to complete the whole list. To give you an idea of enormousness of receiving all my desire in that amount of time, when I created my desire list, my company was $2 million in debt, and I had 2 months before I would be forced to shut it down, and would I lose my home, everything I owned. The money I owed on my personal credit cards was a small fortune, and yet on my desire list was to own a big house overlooking the ocean, to travel to exotic places in the world, to have paid all my debts, to expand my company, to restore every relationship to the best it could be, improve the quality of my family's lives, to be 100% healthy again, and have unlimited energy and excitement for life, along with the usual list of material things. And my number one desire, which seemed like an absolutely impossibility to many of the people around me, was to bring joy to millions of people through my work. So she's talking about her desires. She had so many desires, but she was in debt of $2 million. उसके ऊपर कितना कर्जा था? $2 million. $2 million का उसके ऊपर डेट था. एंड आई हैड शी हैड ओनली 2 months टू शट डाउन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड उसको किसने बचाया? जो उसके पास वो थोड़ा सा जो क्रेडिट कार्ड पे वॉज अ स्मॉल फॉर्च्यून. क्रेडिट कार्ड में उसके जो बहुत छोटा सा एक अमाउंट था, उसने उसको बचाया. येट ऑन माई डिजायर लिस्ट वॉज, अब उसकी डिजायर क्या थी? शी वॉन्टेड टू हैव दैट बिग हाउस ओवर ओशन के पास, एग्जॉटिक प्लेसेस वर्ल्ड में घूमना फिरना, ये वो, एक्सपैंड माई कंपनी, to restore my relationship. She wanted to work upon each and everything, improve the quality of family life, healthy again, enthusiastic life, energetic life. She wanted to have. These are the desires she wanted to have. And one of the topmost desire was she wanted to serve people. She wanted to serve the community. She wanted to like support people, help people, serve the whole world. That was her topmost desire. मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल थ्रू माई वर्क. अपने काम से वो लोगों की हेल्प करना चाहती. दैट वॉज अ टॉप मोस्ट डिजायर. पूरी दुनिया उसको जाने. The very first desire that I received was bringing joy of millions of people through my work. The rest of my desires magically followed. Right? बाकी सब होता चला गया. And one by one, as they appeared before my very eyes, I crossed them off my list. So when she was getting all the desires fulfilled, she was just cutting off, she was just crossing off, and she was adding new, she was adding new, she was adding new. So in this way, we also have to do. So now it's your turn to use gratitude's magical power to make your desires appear before your very eyes. So Rhonda Byrne also wants that you also do this gratitude practice and make it happen for you. Make it happen, all your desires. At the start of the day, take your top 10 desire list that you created. Read through each sentence and desire on your list. And for 1 minute, imagine or visualize that you have received your desire. Feel as much gratitude as you can, as if you have it now. So, whatever desires you have written in your list, so you all have written 10 desires. Okay, so one by one. 1 minute for one desire. So if you want to have a house, if you want to have a car, if you want to have like any scooty, or if you want to have, like, if you want to have furniture, if you want to have refrigerator, if you want, whatever are your desire. If you want to achieve something like goal, you want to become coach, you want to earn that particular amount of money. So each and every desire, sit with each and every desire for 1 minute and visualize it as if it is done, and be thankful. Be thankful. God for giving me this. God for the thank you for giving me this. 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 Like that. 1 minute. It's going to take only 10 minutes, guys. The way we started up until now, like we have practiced this a lot many times, and we have to keep going with all these desires. Start visualizing it as if it is done. The more you will be able to visualize that it is done, the more clearly you can see, the more better result you will get. It will be better for you to get the result, right? Okay. So, guys, create magic in your life by visualizing, feeling, thinking. Next, carry your desire list with you today in your pocket on at least two occasions in the day. Take out your list, read through it, and feel as much gratitude for each one as you can, as though you have received it, as though it is done. वो गॉड का तथास्तु हो गया, यूनिवर्स ने आपको दे दिया. You have to feel like that. You have to visualize that. जैसे आपको स्कूटी चाहिए, आई एम गोइंग ऑन स्कूटी, आई एम क्रॉसिंग दैट, वो ग्रीन लाइट हो गया, सिग्नल पे मैं जा रही हूँ, मैं शॉप पे गई, मैंने पेमेंट दिया, स्कूटी घर पे आई, अब मैंने किसको स्कूटी, लाइक विजुअलाइज ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. द मोर क्लियर you will be able to visualize, like you will create the magic very soon. So it's up to you in how much time you want to create the magic. कितने टाइम में आपको चाहिए, इट्स अप टू यू. जितना विजुलाइज उसको क्लियरली आप कर पाओगे तो उतना वो आपके पास होगा. क्लियर एवरीवन? क्लियर? Okay, so if you want your desires to come more quickly, I would highly recommend that you carry your desire list with you in your wallet or purse from this day forward, and whenever you have time, open it up, read through it, and feel as much gratitude as you can for each one. When your desire appear, when your desires appear before your very eyes, cross them. That means before very eyes. Why this word is used again and again? Very eyes, very eyes. Everything should be there before your eyes. Before your very eyes, in front of you, आपकी आंखों के सामने. So she's talking about that technique, that visualization. Before your very eyes, before everything is there before your eyes. And it should be there before your very eyes. Cross them off your list and add more. And if you are like me, each time you cross a desire off your list, you will be in tears of joy. When we start visualizing it, yeah, it is done, it is happening. Let's say if you want to see yourself in a better health, you want better health. So you have to see yourself, yeah, done ho gaya. I'm fine, I'm fit, I'm healthy, I'm strong. My all the body parts are working properly. So you will be in tears. Ki, wow, it is done. If we can see ourselves at the age of 70, 80, how we are jumping, how we are dancing, how we are enjoying, right? So we will be in the tears of joy if we are able to see that. Because what seemed impossible now is possible, right? Because what seemed impossible was made possible through the magical power of gratitude. You did it. Now, magic practice number 22. Magic practice number 22. So, before your very eyes, what you have to do, count your blessings, right? So, before you sleep, or if you want to do it in the morning, you can write down 10 blessings in the morning as well. At the start of the day, take your top 10 desire list that you have created. Read through each sentence and desire on your list. And for 1 minute, imagine or visualize that you have received your desire. Feel as much gratitude as you can. Carry your desire list with you today in your pocket on at least two occasions in the day. Take out your list, read out, and feel as much gratitude as you can. And at night, you have to do that magic rock practice. Got it, everyone? So, what you have to do, right? So, keep
Sure.
your desire list ready, keep it in the purse, or you can paste it on the mirror. Or the main thing is that you have to see that desire. And you have to like 3 to 4 times. If you can open it, if you can see it in front of your very eyes, and you can practice it, you can visualize it, so definitely you will get the result. अगर वो ग्रेटिट्यूड उसमें करके बंद रखी हुई है कहीं पे, वो लॉकर में रखी हुई है कहीं के, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. सो यू डोंट हैव टू कीप इट इन अ लॉकर. सो डेली यू हैव टू राइट 10 gratitude practices for this, for that, for the whatever you want, whatever your desires have, whatever desires you people have. So you have to write down. You have to organize your, आपको पता होना चाहिए आपका आपको चाहिए क्या. अगर आपको पता ही नहीं होगा तो योर लाइफ इज गोइंग ऑन एन ऑटो पायलट मोड. There are some people, they don't have any desire. You must have seen people, they are just going, like life is just passing. You can see around. There are many people. I can also see in my society only. In my neighbor, there are many people getting up, doing their house chores, work, this and that, खा रहे हैं, पी रहे हैं, सो रहे हैं, उठ रहे हैं. This is just happening. But see, we people are lucky people. We people are chosen. We are doing like we are the people from this 750 crore population. We are like 0.001. And people don't have this kind of knowledge. They don't have this knowledge. But we people have this knowledge. So we are so lucky. So we should proud of ourselves. So take your hands like this. Take your hands like this, everyone, and pat your back. Yes, I'm lucky. I'm lucky. I'm the chosen one. Yes, I am big and bold. I am big and bold. I am big and bold. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of myself. Yes. So you have to do it daily. Don't underestimate the power of Poonam. Don't underestimate the power of Ishita, Sonam, Fani, Shakarin, Arshida. We can do whatever we want to do. We can have whatever we want to have. We can be whatever we want to be. Everything is in our hand. So it's up to you guys. It's up to you how much magic you can create. You can't even imagine. We can move the mountains, guys. Everything is there inside us. Okay, Ishita. So start making videos, small videos. So whatever you are learning from here. So what did you learn today? So today I have learned that we have to write down our desires, and we have to look at desire and start doing the action. Start taking the action, because the work always work. Keep your head down and do the damn work, because the work always works. Getting everyone?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So can we go ahead with the next one as well
Yes.
today? Today, day number 23. Day number 23. Okay, so let me share my screen. As I told you that I'm short of 2 days, so we can cover. So we will left with only like one short day. Let's see what we can cover, when we can cover that as well. So day 23. Welcome once again. Right? So welcome once again on day number 23. Okay, let me stop the recording. Let me stop the recording, and let me do the recording once again for day number 23.